Everyone, Paxman, hindi na mo iiwan kay masasarapan and today is Tuesday. Pag Tuesday, dapat happy. So, let's make a vlog being your nurse na gagawin kayong first. Yes, I'm so honored like a first honor student. So, look at the back portion. Yeah. Hi guys, as you can see, the Philippine Stock Exchange and of course, yung towering na Metro Bank. And the Ori, not Dory. That's the building of Paring High, Paring G, and Paring Cholo. Ayun. So, another building. So yan, sa below guys, makikita niyo yung mga iba't ibang malls. So, medyo mababa lang yung malls dyan. I don't know why. Yung mga building dyan. Pero kahit mababa yan, umabot yan ng mga 4th, 5th floor. So, ayun. Ano yung building dyan, no? Sino kayo magre-rent? I'm pretty sure may mga banks dyan. So, hi to those building over there. Ayun, nakikita ko ang Finance Center. Hello, Finance Center. Yeah, ayan yung Finance Center. Yung iba pang mga names na I won't mention. And there's this Maynila over there. I'm not mistaken. Yung St. Luke's nandito sa likod. Ayan. Look at the Philippine Stock Exchange. Bongga yung mga sasakyan dyan. Tingnan yung mga kotse dyan below. Oh, anong masisay nyo? So again guys, so I just wanna say maayong hapon sa tanang mga Bisaya nga parehas na ako nga masaya, guwapa, sure na. Yeah, nagagalan sa akong jacket. I love my jacket na nakakaakit. So today's vlog, mura gito ko ipakita agad ang atong view na maka I love you. And again guys, to all nurses watching there, always remember, being a nurse, gawin natin silang first. Dapat, yung mga pasyente, hindi lang natin binibaby, dapat happy. Para at the end of the shift, walang backlog, walang buhok na magkalkag parehas na ako. So yun lang guys, and happy Martes. Hello sa mga Marites over there. Bye for now. See you later, alligator.